South Africa, at a glance, it's a country having a population of currently about 52 million people. We are very much smaller than India. GDP-wise, in 2012, we were about 385 billion US dollars economy. Real growth rate for 2013 would be about 2%. GDP growth about 2%. Inflation stands at about 5.5%. And if you look at our main exports to the world now, it kind of reflects also our exports into India. Essentially minerals, mineral products, precious metals, also metal products, chemical and food products, and then we have started also to export automotive and particularly automotive components, particularly into Africa. If you look at our main trading partners, China is currently our main trading partner, number one trading partner, followed by the USA, Japan, Germany, the UK. India lies number 6 for improvement and we as a collective, hopefully we will work on that to improve that. Just a snippet of South Africa and the broader market that it offers. We speak often about the gateway that South Africa provides into Africa. As you know, South Africa lies on the southern tip of the continent of Africa, surrounded by a number of countries, what we call the Southern African Development Community, comprising of 15 countries. It's indicated there. And that gives you a market of about 250 million people. SADC now. I'm talking about Southern African Development Community. And what we normally say is that establish your headquarters or your presence in South Africa, because we believe that we offer you the opportunity and also the facility and the infrastructure to establish there and then to operate from there into Africa, into other parts of the world as well, particularly South America. And some companies from India have been doing that. This is just an indication of the shipping time between South Africa and various parts of the world. Amongst others, to India, it's about 10, 12 days by sea. It's very competitive. Again, we can do more to expand that trade route, to trade more. This is just, again, a summary. GDP, just to give you an indication of where we were in 1994 up to now in 2012 about, we grew economically, GDP-wise, from an economy of about 60 billion US dollars to 385 billion US dollars. Exports also, we have done pretty well. GDP growth, we are hovering currently at around 2% per annum. We believe that after China and India, or after Asia, Africa is a big story. You may recall that the publication, The Economist, some time ago, they wrote about Africa, the lost continent. And a while after that, maybe a year or two after that, they also wrote about the Africa, the rising continent. And that is very precisely what is happening in Africa. 7 of the 10 fastest growing economies during the past 2-3 years are from Africa. Not from Asia, not from North America, not from Europe, certainly not from Europe, but from Africa. A country like Ethiopia has been growing at about 12-13% per annum. That's good. Although we acknowledge it's from a smaller base, but those growth rates are being accomplished. And also thanks to India, which is a business partner of a country like Ethiopia, for instance, where you have gone into that country aggressively, but also very targeted, particularly in the agro sector, where India has made substantial investment into agriculture. This is our picture, South Africa's picture with the world trade-wise. As I mentioned, China is our number one trading partner at this point in time. United States, Japan, and as I mentioned, India lies on that scale number 6. But we believe we are going to expand that and grow it, and you are going to up your position in terms of that ranking.